The Galaxy S25 Ultra, unveiling the bright future of smartphones. Samsung's next-generation flagship, the Galaxy S25 Ultra, is just around the corner, with its official announcement expected next month. As the anticipation builds, leaked details have begun to paint an exciting picture of what this powerhouse device will offer, especially when it comes to screen technology and durability. A brighter display than ever before. One of the standout features revealed is the 6.9-inch QHD Plus screen, a hallmark of Samsung's Ultra series. But what sets the Galaxy S25 Ultra apart is its record-breaking peak brightness. According to Android Authority, leaked files indicate that the phone could achieve an unprecedented 3,000 nits of brightness. This level of luminance is expected to deliver stunning visibility even in the brightest sunlight, making it a game-changer for outdoor usage. Reinforced with next-gen glass, durability is another area where Samsung is stepping up its game. Renowned tipster Ice Universe share that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will debut the second-generation Corning Gorilla Armor glass, known for its anti-reflective properties. This exclusive upgrade not only promises better protection, but also enhances screen clarity by reducing glare, perfect for enjoying that dazzling brightness to its fullest potential. A leap towards perfection. With its cutting-edge brightness and reinforced display technology, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be a trailblazer in the smartphone industry. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra camera specifications leak. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to feature an impressive array of 5 camera sensors, sourced from both Sony and Samsung. The rear panel will house a quad-camera setup, while the front will integrate a single selfie camera within the Infinity O display. Recent leaks have provided a comprehensive look at the camera details for the upcoming flagship. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will include 2 Sony IMX sensors for telephoto and periscope cameras, while Samsung ISOCELL will supply the primary, ultra-wide, and selfie sensors. These details were confirmed by Android developer and code extractor Assembled Debug, consolidating previously scattered leaks into a single detailed report. Camera configuration. Primary camera. Samsung ISOCELL HP2, 200 megapixel resolution with 2x optical like zoom. Ultra-wide camera. Samsung ISOCELL Gen 3, upgraded to 50 megapixel resolution from 12 megapixel in the S24 Ultra. Telephoto camera. Sony IMX 754 to 10 megapixel resolution with 3x optical zoom. Periscope camera. Sony IMX 854 to 50 megapixel resolution with 5x optical zoom. Selfie camera. Samsung ISOCELL 3 LU, 12 megapixel resolution. The only significant upgrade compared to the Galaxy S24 Ultra is the ultra-wide sensor, which jumps from 12 megapixel to 50 megapixel. However, the telephoto camera remains unchanged at 10 megapixel with 3x optical zoom, leading to some criticism regarding missed opportunities for further enhancements. Following numerous leaked images and renders, but today we've hit the jackpot. A full spec sheet for the Galaxy S25 Ultra has surfaced, confirming nearly everything we've heard so far. Here's a breakdown of what this flagship powerhouse has in store when it launches early next year. Display. A stunning 6.8-inch QHD LTPO AMOLED screen with a buttery smooth 120 Hz refresh rate and comes with 3,000 nits of peak brightness. Processor. Fueled by Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, performance like never before. Memory. Maxed out with up to 16 gigs of RAM. Storage. Choices ranging up to 1 terabyte. Cameras. A quad-camera setup featuring 200 megapixel main sensor, 50 megapixel upgraded ultra-wide, 50 megapixel telephoto, 10 megapixel periscope lens, plus a 12 megapixel selfie camera. Battery. A robust 5,000 mAh battery. Software. Runs on Android 15 with Samsung's latest One UI 7. What's new? The specs are undeniably impressive, but what truly sets the S25 Ultra apart? Interestingly, many features carry over from the S24 Ultra, same display, battery, charging speed, and cameras, except for the upgraded 50 megapixel ultra-wide sensor. The standout changes include processor. The new Snapdragon 8 Elite for blazing fast performance. Design, rounded edges return, addressing complaints about the sharp corners on the S24 Ultra. Should you upgrade? If you own the S24 Ultra, the upgrades might not feel substantial, unless the new processor, extra RAM, or design tweaks win you over. However, for anyone using an older Galaxy model, the S25 Ultra is undoubtedly a strong contender. The price factor. Galaxy Ultra phones are renowned for their cutting-edge features, but they come at a premium. With Samsung's advancements in 3 and Exynos chip production, there's hope for stable or even reduced pricing, though time will tell. Here's some exciting news for Samsung fans. Samsung is set to launch the Galaxy S25 Slim alongside the S25 series this year. Renowned leaker Taran Vats has unveiled intriguing details about the device's specs. The Galaxy S25 Slim is rumored to feature a 6.6-inch AMOLED display powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. Its camera setup includes a 200-megapixel main sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 3.5x zoom. Additionally, the device is expected to pack a battery with a capacity between 4,500 and 5,000 mAh. A recent leak about the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra's color options has stirred debate among fans as the highly anticipated Unpacked event draws closer. Universe, a well-known source, shared an image showcasing the supposed blue variant, which appeared to lean towards gray. In response, another leaker, Jukamlasriv, commented gray to clarify the discrepancy. The original source has not yet addressed the confusion, leaving fans eagerly awaiting updates. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to debut in 4 titanium finishes: black, gray, blue, and white silver. Blue, a light blue back cover with a silver middle frame featuring a blue tint. Black, a black back cover paired with a silver middle frame. White silver, a white back cover complemented by a light silver middle frame. Gray, a gray back cover with subtle gold undertones and a matching middle frame. Some speculate that Universe's post may indeed depict the blue variant, whose interplay with the silver middle frame gives it a grayish appearance. Fans are now eagerly awaiting more clarity on the final color schemes. What if your next smartphone not only charged faster but boasted a bold, futuristic design? Exciting leaks surrounding the Galaxy S25 Ultra are making waves even before Samsung's official announcement, with brand leading the charge. The brand unveils Galaxy S25 Ultra accessories. Pre-orders for Galaxy S25 Ultra accessories are already live, courtesy of brand. Their exclusive lineup includes the innovative grip and prism cases, alongside a collection of custom skins. These designs, which are also compatible with the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus, showcase brand's flair for bold aesthetics. Next-level case features. The Galaxy S25 Ultra case designs are particularly noteworthy, featuring larger camera ring cutouts and a dedicated LED flashlight slot to boost usability. The side frame incorporates slightly raised buttons for a more intuitive experience with the volume and power keys. What's more, brand's cases support MagSafe charging functionality through a clever design integration. Additional tweaks like subtly rounded corners lend the Galaxy S25 Ultra a refreshed, modern edge compared to its predecessor, the S24 Ultra. The grip and prism cases for the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus come with sleek back panel skins, adding a touch of customization. Early leaks suggest the S25 series will feature thicker camera rings reminiscent of the classic Z Fold 6 design, while maintaining a form factor similar to the Galaxy S24 series. Is Q2 wireless charging on the horizon? Speculation is mounting that the Galaxy S25 Ultra might include Q2 wireless charging, adding another layer of innovation to Samsung's flagship lineup. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.